rallies are like dancing, the way you feel the car. It was exciting feeling. Thousand Lakes Rally is very special in Finland. You know, there's nearly 400,000 people coming to watch it, and it's a sport event which everybody knows. And of course, coming from that country, you are nothing if you don't win it. Thousand Lakes is it's very difficult rally, very fast roads but twisty, lot of jumps and very precise driving. You drive that night, next day, that night. You have been awake 2 nights, 2 days. You are tired. It's a really, really hard thing to do. In '83, I knew that I have to win Thousand Lakes if I wanted to win the World Championship.
Nearly 30 years ago, we brought Quattro into motorsport racing. At that time, we of course use our race drivers to give us feedback to bring the Quattro drivetrain to perfection.
You know, the Audi Quattro was completely different. It was new, it was exciting. Four-wheel drive car, nobody was even thinking of that kind of solution. The benefit you had with the Quattro is when you get the car sideways, you have got much more tires to push it inside, so you can drive fast around the bends.
In the RS5, we now have the newest innovation of Quattro drivetrain, which is the crown gear differential. The big benefits of the crown gear are that it's lighter, it's more precise in its torque split. Doesn't matter if it's dry, wet, on a racetrack or on standard road. The result is a more agile car.
During the race, I was in front just by 1 second or 2 seconds. We were fighting and fighting and fighting, and we were driving one of these very fast roads over the jumps. And I knew there is 150 meters, there is a very hard ride. I remember very well when I was going to the first jump and I was not coming down. The back end was coming first and then the front. Sitting there that second or two and thinking, is it going to land? That feeling that you control the car with the Quattro, that speed what you are going, it gives you a really big kick. I had tears in my eyes when I came to the finish because you have pushed so hard. I learned there that never give up, just keep trying. I think I can remember the rest of my life to win Thousand Lakes.